investigations are ongoing.
Yes, Your Honor.
It is upon conclusion of investigations that you'll decide who is to be charged with what offense.
Sure, Your Honor.
As of now, you have not made up your mind who will be charged, isn't it?
Correct, Your Honor.
And when you have not made up your mind who will be charged, you want Honorable Mutai to be in custody for 21 days as you think on who you will charge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now let's go to the question. You have said you intend to conduct valuation of the banned and damaged motor vehicles.
Yes, Your Honor.
How will Mr. Mutai, being in custody of the police, assist you while doing the valuation?
Your Honor, we've indicated before this court that currently the situation on the ground.
I've asked a simple question.
Yes,
answer my question. How will incarceration of Honorable Mutai assist you or prejudice your variation? The first ground is that you had to do variation. Will it in any way affect your variation?
Yes, Your Honor.
How?
Because the valuers will need to go to the ground
Yes.
where the incident occurred,
Yes.
and the damaged properties are still on the ground, the same ground we are talking about.
Right.
And Your Honor, allowing the Honorable Member of Parliament to go back to the ground may in one way or another interfere with this investigation.
Mr. Nagai.
Since he's a Member of Parliament with the followers who are also living on the same ground.
Therefore, you want to say that you cannot assess Kuresoi North constituency if Honorable Mutai is not in police custody.
Come again?
You cannot assess Kuresoi North constituency if Honorable Mutai is not in custody.
Your Honor, we can access.
You can
Kuresoi
assess.
if
That's
he's
my
in-
question. You
currently
can
in
assess.
custody.
You can assess even if when he's in custody. You went to arrest people at his homestead.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was he in custody?
He was not, but
He was not
he
in
was
custody.
not within the constituency.
He was not in custody, but you are able to arrest 16 people, not within his constituency,
26.
at 26 at his home when he was not in police custody.
Upon confirming that he was not within the constituency.
So you are cowards. You first find out whether he's there, then you go there. Yeah.
Matter of being coward.
No, you first of all make a call, confirm if Honorable Mutai is there, then you go there. As long as he's there, you cannot go there. Is that what you are saying?
No, Your Honor.
So you can go there even when he's there.
Upon assessing the situation.
Once you assess the situation, you can assess.
If the situation will be conducive, well and good.
Or, even if you were to get reinforcement, you cannot assess.
Your Honor, there are so many factors to consider before doing that. Your Honor.
Let's go. So the variation, who is supposed to do the variation?
Government valuer.
Government value. Where are they situated?
Your Honor, the valuers are within in Nairobi.
I want to inform you they are in Nakuru. There is a Department of Public Works and Motor Vehicle Inspection. They are there. We have competent valuers here in Nakuru, if you don't know.
Your Honor, for this matter, we may prefer doing it in Nairobi.
Or the one in Nakuru are unqualified.
Not a matter of being unqualified.
Why? Why would you want it from Nairobi? Tell us.
For the reason that I may not disclose before this court.
So a valuer from Nakuru cannot do a valuation of a vehicle in Kuresoi. You need to get one from Nairobi for reasons you cannot disclose.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So you think the one in Nairobi are more qualified than the one in Nakuru?
That is your suggestion, Your Honor.
No. Why would you want one from Nairobi? A valuer is a valuer.
Yes, Your Honor, but I've said for the reason that I may not disclose before this court.
So for that reason you may not disclose. That cannot be a basis of detention of a member of parliament unless it's a reason you are disclosing. That is your reason.
No, Your Honor.
Let's go to the issue of the recover of his firearm. I've heard you making an application that he be ordered to surrender his firearm. Have you made that application before this court? In this application, is there such a prayer before court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why is it? Show me. You have 3 prayers. Prayer number 1, it will be admission. Number 2, issue an order for remand to complete investigation. And number 3, there have been orders cost. Those are your 3 prayers. Those are your 3 prayers. So you don't have a prayer before court for him to surrender his firearm.
You captured that point, eh?
I'm showing you application. You know this is now law. In law,
Probably can affect the court,
yeah.
you know.
You know where it is in the application?
Your Honor, it is also our wish to retain the suspect in police custody for one good reason. The victims who were shot on that particular day sustained serious injuries and are still admitted at various hospitals up to date. Your Honor, the same victims are the witnesses, key witnesses we are relying on in this matter. And Your Honor, it is their fear that if the respondent is released, they may not be safe. Your Honor, another fact is that considering their condition at this particular moment, we were unable to record their statements. Concerning the fact that their condition still cannot allow them to do so. Your Honor, another fact is that the victims who are also our witnesses some of them are not from Kuresoi South, North Sub-County, and therefore we may need to conduct an ID parade on this matter. For us to be certain and the witness to be sure of themselves, Your Honor. Your Honor, during this criminal incident, a minibus registration number KDQ 155G belonging to Ngata Welfare Community Group was completely burnt down. Your Honor, the official vehicle, government vehicle, assigned to the DCC Kuresoi North was maliciously damaged. A Toyota Prado VXL, registration number KDV 444A, was also maliciously damaged. Your Honor, we need to get evaluation report in regards to these damaged vehicles. So that, Your Honor, eventually, if in case we may prefer charges against the respondent, it will be clear for us to have the value of the damaged property. Your Honor, down on the ground within the constituency, the tension is still high. And it is our wish, Your Honor, our prayer, that the respondent be kept within the police custody for the stated period of time, as we conduct the investigations. And also to enable the victims who are our key witnesses to recover and be in a position whereby they'll be able. Okay, sorry, Your Honor.